made some pizza and we had a few dough balls left over. So I'm gonna show you how to make schiacciata. So here we have these 4 dough balls left over. We could have made some new dough for pizza, but we're gonna make schiacciata, which is, it means kind of like squished or pressed down. So here we're gonna stretch the dough out, and you probably have heard me tell the story that as a kid, this is what we used to eat for a snack. And it was always so incredibly delicious. So I'm gently gonna stretch this dough out. And this was always the most incredible treat when Mom would stop at the bakery and get us a piece of schiacciata. See how nice and airy it is? You can just kind of gently stretch it out as the dough relaxes. And these are going to be perfect for some amazing sandwiches. Now what we're simply going to do is drizzle some olive oil on top of it, just like so. And sprinkle some coarse sea salt over it. And then with the fingertips, I'm gonna go into the dough and press into it. Let me get some oil on there. And you have these fingerprints right into it. Same here. Once again. And this last one as well. These guys are ready to go into the oven. I'm simply gonna drag them right on this peel. And we'll do the same thing with these other 2. And in the oven they go. 2 more schiacciatine. The other ones are in the back already. We will close the door. We have already rotated a few of them. Tends to be a little bit hotter in the back. So we're gonna put this one back here and this one to the front, close the door, and allow them to finish baking. Let's peek. And oh boy, they are ready to come out. We're just gonna stack them on top of each other like this and pull them out of the oven. Look at these. So growing up, we would go to the bakery and they would cut a section off. I mean, they would make them huge as well. But also what they would do is slice them open, just like this. Ooh, this is hot. All the way through. And now look at this. Right in here, you can put some mozzarella left over that we had left over from the pizza. We can put some of these little cherry tomatoes on top. Oh my goodness. Like this. Then we have a few slices of prosciutto crudo, cured ham. And then on the very top, some rucola. Can you believe this? This is amazing. Put this back on top and look at this. Amazing. A beautiful sandwich. Can you imagine eating a lunch like this? Buon appetito!